Good morning, good evening, good day. It's Tracey back from Mattingley House. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Today we've got a Dreamer Designs unboxing, and it is of the beautiful Blueberry Kiss. Now, this is up here on my Hoard to Finished series, and it's in the list because it is technically my last purchased diamond painting for this year. So it is number 62 in the stash, and it's going to be the last one. But as per normal, I put all the links and everything down below in the description for you, and the prices and everything that you need to know is down there. Let's stop waffling, Trace, and show you the kit. Okay, let's get this Dreamer Designs unboxed. I don't think I need a box cutter. Okay, plastical. Let's find out what this one's like. Okay, let's turn her over. Ooh. Tore the box a little bit. I don't like tearing the box because I want to put it back in. Okay, so inside, let's all look. So we've got the dust bag, Dreamer Designs dust bag. Let's open it up with the normal lilac strings, and there we go, there's our painting. We've got a beautiful lilac ribbon, okay, let's tip out the drills and and there's the painting. Okay, so there's our drills. Oh, some pretty colours in this one. And these are squares. And lots of blue in this one, which is definitely a clue to which kit it is. But beautiful colours. And this is our accessory kit. And it looks like we've got a pink tray this time. I think we had, on the last kit, was it pink or was it lilac-y? Although it is lilac, Trace, I think it's the same kit. I didn't particularly like the kit last time. I like the look of the waxes. I haven't actually tried them yet. But the rest of the kit, which is your basics, I didn't really like. I mean, the tweezers are okay. I just wish the ends were bent so that they were flat to make it easier to pick up the diamonds rather than using like points. But at least they're metal and not plastic. So I'll definitely be using these. But of course I haven't tried these out yet, so I don't know how good they are. But I will be trying them out. But the rest of the kit is, oh, well, I didn't like it. It's a basic cheap kit, really, what you get in any others. So not overly impressed with the kit, but I'm liking the look of the diamonds, and that's what it's all about, isn't it? Is the drills, etc. So let's unravel this kit. So we've got she's a little bit stiff. We've got the colour codes, the legend, and instructions of how to paint. We'll put that aside. Now this one seems to be, needs time to relax. Oh, turn me light off. Get back on. And here we are. She won't stay down. I'll have to hold it. Let's bring her down so we can see right at the top. This one is called Blueberry Kiss. It's a fairly new one. And it is Cocoa Marshmallow Art. And it's a 60 by 80, this one. The canvas is quite nice and soft. It does need time to relax, but sitting on a warm light board would relax it. I wish the tops were perforated, you know, just to make it a little bit easier if this plastic see-through bit was perforated already, so you could just tear off sections. That would make a big difference. But anyway, when I saw this one, I couldn't resist it. And look at her! I love blueberries. I love anything to do with blueberries. And I also love doing hair on diamond paintings and skin tones. So this one was like me in a diamond painting, all rolled it into one. It's, I just couldn't resist. I mean, look at her. Let's scroll down. She looks gorgeous. There's an awful lot of white on the outer edge, but let's change my glasses so I can have a real good look. So we've got 60 colours on this one. That's a lot of shading on her face, and that's the bit that I really enjoy doing, is the skin tone, and I love sort of doing the hair as well. So this one's going to be interesting, doing blue hair. I've never done blue hair before. And we've got a really clear print by the looks of it. I'm having a good scan of it. Let's scroll down a little bit more so you can see a bit more of it. I mean, if you don't like the colour blue, you won't like this painting. Because it's pretty much all blue. But I thought it was really pretty when I saw it. I couldn't resist. Let's scroll down a bit more. Let's go down to the bottom, all the way down to the Paint with Passion. And she's got some sort of pretty little white dress with blueberries or blue bits in it, and some blueberries in her hair as well. I love the way the hair drapes over the shoulders. Oh, she's pretty. What do you think of her, guys? Let's go back up to the face, because that's obviously the best bit. And we've got a lot of symbols, because you have got 60 colours. They do tend to prefer symbols over alphabet and numbers. Let's go back up to the top-ish. She's uber clear. It's definitely a nice feeling canvas. It definitely needs time to relax though. But I am liking Miss Blueberry Kiss. What do you think of her? And she's a little bit bigger than the Lotus one that we done on the previous unboxing. I think Lotus was 60 by 70. And this one is 60 by 80. And I'm really keen to do this one. I can see me wanting to do this one before Lotus, to be honest. Until I actually start work on her, I don't know whether they're worth the extra money, because if you compare it to the baby blue dragon kit that I'm working on at the moment, it's my whip at the moment, and I got it from Temu, and it cost me just over £8. And it's bigger than this one. It's a 50 by 110. This one was, I think, on offer as well, and it was £57. That's a huge difference, isn't it? So I'm hoping that I'm going to feel the difference when I'm working on her. I'm hoping that the drills are exact and they fit the actual graphic exactly, so there's no gaps or anything. I'm hoping not to come across too much static with the drills, because that does tend to send me crazy a little bit. And I've got the static sprays and the laundry sheets that take the, yeah, but it's still annoying getting them out of the little packets. So I'm hoping not to come across too much of that. I wasn't impressed with the kit that comes with it for 57 quid. I don't know. I mean, the tweezers should have been bent so that you can easily scoop the diamond up rather than points, but at least they're metal. You only get 2 of these waxes, which I'm hoping is enough for this whole canvas. I don't know if it is or isn't until I get started. We will find out. But the basic sort of kit that they give you, I don't know. I don't think that that's worth all the extra money, for sure. But I'm hoping the drills make a difference now. Blueberry Kiss is not... I said it was square, didn't I? Silly me. Lotus, the one that we unboxed before, is squares. Blueberry Kiss is rounds. Look. Did you notice that before me? Probably, didn't you? Because, yeah. I'm loving the looks of this, though. So we've got one square kit and one now round kit. I really thought I ordered Blueberry Kiss in squares. I must have thought I'd done it the other way round. What do you think of her? Let's have a zoom in for you. I'm very excited to try it out, but I will let you know and give you my absolute honest opinion of it, to see, because it'd be really interesting actually to work on one of these straight after my baby blue dragon, because then I'm going to know the difference straight away, because that's a huge difference in money, isn't it? That's nearly 50 quid difference between the kits, which is pretty mad. Okay. So, it doesn't tell you anything else about it. So it doesn't tell you how many diamonds. It probably tells you on the site, but I'm not one for worrying about that anyway, to be honest. And you don't get any collector card or anything like that. There is a coupon as a 15% off your next purchase. And that's all there is to it. Okay. Well, my first impression isn't that woohoo. I mean, I was uber excited to get my first DAC kit. And I really love the images of these 2 kits, of this kit and the previous kit, the Lotus kit. But I don't know whether it's going to be worth the extra money. But I'm hoping to start one of these straight after my whip and feel a big difference, feel the quality. That's what I'm hoping will happen. I'm hoping I will feel the quality. But I'll let you know. But we've got my baby blue dragon to finish at the moment because I'm on a Stash Detox. So this is officially my last new diamond painting for the rest of the year. That's a long time. So, wow. Unless I get any collabs come through, we won't really be doing any unboxings for a little while, because my purpose of the Stash Detox is to stop shopping and start popping, which I have begun, and I'm on kit 3 of 62. And this was included in the 62 because I knew this was coming. So I wanted to include it in my Stash Detox. Now, if you want to join in with me on the Stash Detox, all the links are down below in the description for you. You're welcome to join in. Save a little bit of money and stop handing out money for pictures that we don't get done. That's my intention anyway. But I will miss sort of shopping for new kits, because I do enjoy that process of shopping for new kits, etc. And I've got to stop looking, because you easily fall in love with a picture, don't you? Like I did with this one. Yeah. So this is Miss Blueberry Kiss. What do you think of her? My last new diamond painting of the year. What did you think of Blueberry Kiss? Oh, I think it's frigging gorgeous. I don't know why, but when I clapped eyes on that on Facebook, that I saw a post from Dreamer Designs, and it's got everything that I love. I love everything to do with blueberries. I love doing diamond painting of like hair and skin tones and things like that. And I thought, oh, that kit is definitely going to be mine. Anyway, it's kind of also sad because it is the last new diamond painting that I'm going to have for this year, because I'm doing my Hoard to Finish challenge here, where I want to get everything in my stash done before I'm allowed to buy any new diamond paintings. I'm determined to get that done. But that doesn't include gifts or collaborations or things like that. That is my last purchased diamond painting done. And I think I finished on a really nice one. So thank you, Dreamer Designs. I'm going to thoroughly enjoy that when I get around to doing it. But as per normal, I'll keep you up to date with all of the diamond paintings. But hey, join in on the Hoard to Finished. I'd love to see you on those. But anyway, I've got to stop waffling, and I'm so overexcited. But thank you for joining me on this one, and I hope to catch you on one of the other types of videos, because there's no more diamond painting hauls for this year. Anyway, thank you so much. Take care, look after yourself, and be good, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.